In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to undo a deleted page here in Canva. Now there is a couple of ways that we can do this. Now first off, we can see that I have multiple pages here. Now let's go ahead and delete one of these. Let's do page number 2. Now as we can see, that's been deleted. So how do we undo this? Well, two different ways, just like I said. First off, we can come right up to the top left hand corner of the page and we're going to see this undo. Now if we click on there, we now have that page back. Now that's one way we can do this. Another way is by using a keyboard shortcut. So if we go ahead and delete this again, just like that, we can come over to the keyboard shortcuts just here and we can see that on Mac it's Command and Z and on Windows it's Control and Z. So I'm on Mac, so we're going to use Command and Z. So if we go back to here, press Command and Z, that has now undone that deleted page. So that's just how simple it is to undo a deleted page here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.